Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question says, if the mass of the sun were 10 times smaller and the universal gravitational constant were 10 times larger in magnitude, which of the following is not correct? We have to tell among the four which is not correct. The first option is raindrops will fall faster. G on the earth will not change. Time period of a simple pendulum on the earth would decrease. Walking on the ground would become more difficult. So now let us move to the solution part. Answer is 2, which said that G on earth would not change. So it is the wrong statement because it would change. As the solution provided to us is, if universal gravitational constant becomes 10 times than its initial value, then the new G would be equal to 10G. So acceleration due to gravity would increase and hence G would change. G of Earth would change, whereas the option was G of Earth would not change. So 2 is wrong option and it is the correct answer.